Okay, dear subscribers, I'm gonna do another update on Nissan Elgrand because people been emailing me, calling me, asking for the price and stuff. So it's not done yet. It's still, I'm working on it. So today I just put brand new brakes. Maybe I should open it. Yeah, that's just a second. So brand new brakes. Shoes. I put some grease here. I learned it from some Japanese guy. One truck arrived and he got grease here, just a little tiny snatches of grease. So brand new drums on the rear. Same as here. I'm not gonna take it off. It's inside, everything brand new. I just drain. It's still open, but I already started. I drained and flush rear axle. So transfer case still draining. Here, that hole in the front. Oil was dirty, all of it. Here's the engine oil still draining. Yeah, and the front axle still draining. It was dirty, no shaving, nothing. Perfect time to change the oils. So transmission also gonna be replaced, but you see transmission and transfer case on Elgrand, it's the same automatic fluid, automatic transmission fluid. So yesterday I made video, I replaced bunch of stuff here, inner CV boot, tie rods, brand new rotor, bottom ball joint, brand new brake pads, that bar, whatever you call it, is brand new. And then today, where is my light? Light, where are you at? Here it is. Okay, now today I almost finished with the driver's side, but I realized I don't have inner tie rod. I do have it, but not the proper one. So I already replaced. So the CV boots don't have to be replaced here. They're in perfect shape. I replaced the bottom ball joint. I put that, I don't know, I need to figure out what you call this bar. And I put them with the grease fittings. I like, it's like semi-truck. You always can grease it. Brand new brake pads, brand new rotor. Actually, the original one was weird. I never seen them wear like that. I'll show you. It's like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like moon shape. That's why probably it was like you're pressing the brakes and it's duk, 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 duk. So it's gonna be brand new. So the arms was perfect. I didn't replace them. I do have them. It's an easy job when you already take everything. But I just don't see any point to replace it. They're in perfect shape. So I left them. Also, so it's still draining. Okay, where is the... Oh, I greased the middle dry shaft, front dry shaft. The rear dry shaft doesn't have any grease fittings. Man, it's just everything. Look at that. Look inside. Perfectly clean everything. Very good. Yeah, nice. Very nice van. So this one is still draining. Not draining. I already started feeling it. Okay, so all brakes around been replaced with the rotors and drums, ball joints in the front, bunch of stuff. So the next gonna be I will finish the right side Monday. I'll order the inner tie rod. And and it's gonna be bumper. I'm gonna work on the bumper, so I will say another week, because I still have to do the alignment, test drive it, do the alignment, make sure everything works properly. AC works, but I gotta check everything, the pressure, and maybe even recharge it. But my machine broke down. I need somebody who can help me fix it. It's too far, it's there. So I have to take it to someone. Same with the alignment. I don't do alignment myself. And I think that's it for today. So another video will be final video. After I fix everything, I will clean everything, clean inside, detail it, or I will take it to girls. They should be back from vacation. And also I'm gonna check the other fluids. We're gonna bleed the brakes Monday. My buddy Kevin usually helps me with bleeding the brakes. Since I replace all the brakes, we gotta replace the whole fluid, brake fluid, and we'll pump, bleed them, and then sometime next week it will be perfectly done, ready, fixed, and I'll take a bunch of pictures, videos, and we'll post it. So have a blessed life. I'll see you in the next video.